Hey there. So, let's dive into a common problem that many developers encounter when working with files in their code. Picture this. You're trying to read the contents of a data file using the fread function, but for some reason, it keeps reading 6 characters more than it should. Frustrating, right? Well, the issue lies in the way Windows handles line endings, and I'm here to shed some light on this puzzling problem. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky dilemma. The key here is understanding how text files with backslash or backslash in line endings are treated differently on Windows. When you use fdel to determine the file size, it doesn't account for the translated line endings, causing fread to read more characters than expected. To tackle this, you need to set the position of the terminating null character based on the actual bytes read by fread, rather than relying on the length reported by fdel. It's all about adjusting for those sneaky line endings. In summary, when working with file I/O in a Windows environment, always remember to consider how line endings can impact the way files are read. By adapting your approach to set the null character position accurately, you can ensure that your file contents are processed correctly. Well, that's all for today's troubleshooting journey. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding!